Does the Tesla Cybertruck come with a spare tire? No, it doesn't. Instead of a traditional spare, every Cybertruck includes a tire repair kit with a compressor, sealant, and patch kit. This design choice aligns with Tesla's philosophy of minimizing weight and maximizing space in their electric vehicles. Electric vehicles like the Cybertruck carry heavy battery packs that add significant weight to the vehicle. A spare tire, weighing between 40 and 100 pounds, would further reduce the vehicle's range and payload capacity. The Cybertruck prioritizes efficiency and space optimization in its design. Tesla's data shows that tire failures are infrequent, occurring in less than 0.5% of drives. The Tesla Cybertruck comes equipped with a standard tire repair kit that serves as an eco-friendly alternative to a traditional spare tire. This kit contains compressed air and sealant designed to temporarily fix punctures by inflating the tire and sealing small holes. When a puncture occurs, the kit's sealant is injected into the tire through the valve stem. The sealant flows into the hole, creating a temporary plug, while the compressed air reinflates the tire to the proper pressure. As the sealant works, you'll often see bubbles forming around the puncture area, indicating that the sealant is actively sealing the hole. This visual confirmation helps ensure the repair is taking effect. Using the kit is straightforward. First, attach the valve adapter to the tire's valve stem. Inject the sealant into the tire, then use the compressed air canister to inflate it to the proper pressure as indicated in the Cybertruck's manual. This repair kit is an eco-friendly solution that eliminates the need for heavy spare tires, reducing waste and helping maintain the Cybertruck's efficient electric vehicle design. However, remember that it's designed for temporary fixes only, allowing you to safely drive short distances, typically up to 50 miles at low speeds, to reach a Tesla service center for a permanent tire replacement. The Tesla Cybertruck features specialized 35-inch all-terrain radial tires designed specifically for its unique capabilities. These tires incorporate Kevlar reinforcement for exceptional puncture resistance. While these tires are not fully run-flat like some specialized designs, they can handle minor damage and allow continued driving for up to 50 miles at low speeds after a puncture occurs. The Tesla Cybertruck offers practical storage solutions for tire-related items. Its unique design includes a frunk at the front and a spacious bed at the rear, both of which can accommodate the standard tire repair kit. The frunk, or front trunk, is a dedicated storage area accessible through the front hood. This space is ideal for storing the tire repair kit, keeping it easily accessible for quick use. The Cybertruck's large bed provides additional storage options. The repair kit can be stored under the bed liner, out of the way, but still reachable when needed. The compact tire repair kit, which includes a compressor, sealant, and patch materials, fits comfortably in either the frunk or under the bed liner, ensuring it's always ready for emergency use. However, neither the frunk nor the bed is designed to accommodate a standard spare tire due to the Cybertruck's minimalist design philosophy. To carry a spare, owners must use aftermarket solutions. Aftermarket options include roof-mounted racks or bed-mounted carriers that can securely hold a spare tire. These custom solutions maintain the vehicle's efficiency while providing backup tire storage. From this overhead view, you can see how the Cybertruck's angular design integrates storage solutions while maintaining its distinctive aesthetic. While the Tesla Cybertruck doesn't come with a factory-installed spare tire, aftermarket options are available from third-party companies. These solutions allow you to mount a compact spare in either the bed or frunk area of the vehicle. Mounting kits typically include custom brackets and straps designed specifically for the Cybertruck's unique design. You can choose between frunk mounting for a more concealed option or bed mounting for easier access. However, these modifications come with trade-offs. Adding a spare tire reduces the vehicle's payload capacity by approximately 40 to 100 pounds, and installation requires custom brackets that must be professionally fitted. One reputable company offering these solutions is Cybertruck Mods, which specializes in accessories for the Cybertruck. Always consult with professionals for installation to ensure safety and warranty compliance. The EV market is undergoing a significant shift away from traditional spare tires toward repair kits and smart tire technology. This change prioritizes efficiency, sustainability, and modern solutions over bulky physical spares. Tesla is at the forefront of this transformation, with the Cybertruck exemplifying the trend. Their approach is influencing competitors like Rivian and Ford's electric trucks, which are similarly adopting repair kits over traditional spares. Looking ahead, future innovations include AI-enhanced tire diagnostics that can predict failures before they occur. Tesla is already testing systems that monitor tire pressure, temperature, and tread depth through integrated sensors. Another key innovation is sustainable tire materials. Manufacturers are developing tires using biorubber, recycled PET bottles, and plant-based oils, aiming for 100% sustainable materials by 2050. This reduces environmental impact while maintaining performance. Experts predict that by 2030, driven by electrification and urbanization, less than 20% of trucks will include traditional spare tires. The industry is moving towards service-based models and integrated technology solutions. Many Cybertruck owners have successfully used the repair kit for trail punctures, driving to service centers for replacements. These real-world experiences demonstrate the effectiveness of Tesla's approach in rugged conditions. Elon Musk has stated that spares are outdated relics, supported by Tesla data showing that kits resolve 95% of tire issues. This reflects Tesla's philosophy of efficiency and data-driven design. Tesla's internal data reveals that repair kits handle 95% of tire problems effectively. This high success rate validates the decision to omit traditional spares in favor of these compact, eco-friendly solutions. EV tire failure rates are also lower than in gas vehicles due to regenerative braking. This technology reduces wear and tear, contributing to the overall reliability of electric vehicle tires.